So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to go to the boot tab and then you want to tick safe boot. Tick safe boot and then click on OK. And then click on restart. It's now going to take us into safe mode. And now once you're on safe mode, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand policies. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now you want to expand Safer. And then click on Code Identifiers. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. You want to find this right here, Authentic Code Enabled. Double click on it. You want to make the value data to 1 if it's on 0. So make it 1 and then click on OK. Next, you want to go to search and type in system configuration. Click on it. And then you want to go to the boot tab. Make sure you have safe boot unticked. Click on OK. Then you want to restart your computer. It will then take you back into normal Windows and then the problem should be fixed.